Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I know I did not upload it for a long time, so let's begin. Wait a second. Yeah, yeah. So first we need to open Visual Studio. Today we are not doing Python. I thought let's do today. I thought let's do Visual Studio. Then what I'm saying, yeah. I was saying that I want to do HTML, so today we are going to do HTML. Yeah, I know. Now let's save the file. Save as. And if you want to know how in the end it will be in the result, just a second, I will show you. Okay, let's keep in decent website because it's really a decent. No, not decent. Just let's name it decent website.html. Yeah, before I made one which was waste. And if you want to see the end result, I will show you in a minute. 000. Wait. If you want to see my website also is there. It's online right now. No. Okay. It is this. Yeah. It is photo, I think so. And here it's computer world. If you click on it, it's actually an hyperlink, and then I not created it. So it will just show me that it's powered by webhost.com. So you can use the website also if you're making it. Now let's learn how to make a HTML. So let's begin. So first we have saved, as we have saved the file, let's open HTML and which yeah, HTML. Just you can write here now in here. Let's write title, and we can write here hi. Now we can just run it, but just if you want to check, let's open Chrome. Okay, it's open. Now you can see nothing is showing here, just a white and it's showing here hi. So now what we have written here hi, so it's working. So let's go to our next one, which is next one, which is adding text. So we're gonna keep here h1 again. Yeah, then we're gonna write welcome to this right now. Let's put this website. Yeah, you can just keep it like this or run it. Welcome to this website. And if your h1 is here below also, no problem, it can be here also. If it's here also, it will still work. Welcome to this website. Nice. Now if you want to keep it in the center, of course, if you want to keep it here, like as I showed here. Now wait a second. Yeah, if you now you're seeing that this is came in the center. How to keep this text in the center? Very easy, like I'll show you. Just tell write the center tag. Center. Then this will open to tag. Just cut it by Control X and run it again. Yeah, now if you want to add font, you're like this style is worse, then you can write. Also, you have to first write your body. Otherwise, if you want to add color, it might not work also. So just I'll keep it below my text body tag. Then we can write here font. Then we can write here size. You can write here now if you want to keep it. I think 15. If you want to keep, you can just keep here 15. Then you can write here face. And if you write here face, example, let's write here Calibri. I have an idea, let's write Arial. Arial is more popular. And now we can just now what we want, you can just give color equals to, then we can write here, I think let's keep it green. Okay, then we are gonna like keep this closing tag, and this font will again open. Just you can just means cut it and copy it here and run it. You can see this. Now you are seeing that this color is like means not good as this one, as is here, like this is in light green. For that you have to use a website. Actually here you can just search what you can search like color picker. If you know your color code, you can just paste it there in the color. If you don't know, I'll like this is on Google, you can use. If I want this font I'm liking, here hex there is a code always for a color, so you can just copy it and just okay, then let's go to our Visual Studio. We have kept green now, so let's remove it and keep it this code, and now we open it. Nice. Now what if you want to keep the background black, like this one? Like this one, you have to keep the background black. You don't want this all means white things. You can do like that only. Just this is simple actually. Just go on body, go on the body tag and write here bg color and write here black. If you want, you can write here white is already there, so you can write here black. And if you want it, if you're not editing your text, means if you not don't want to write this font tab, you can just write your text and one like example white. Let's keep it now pink. So if you don't want to edit your text, it will automatically make it pink. Now if you refresh it, see this, so means it is came. Now if you want to see example, I write here h1, then let's write here I write something. I don't add the font tab, but I want it in pink only. So now if I do, you can see a light pink tone. If you can see, it's a light pink tone here. If you are like don't want to means you're not able to see the pink, you can just go to this website and add the pink hex code. Just copy it, and you can just paste it in Visual Studio Code here. Now if I paste it here, it shall work. Now let's go. See, now you can see it clearly. Welcome to this website. Now if you want to now what if you want to add like this, now let's go here. Now if you want to add photos, you can add if you want, you can add a hyperlink to a photo also. I'll teach you, wait a second. So if you want to add photo, is very simple. First in our let's open the folder first. We have created a decent website, select folder. Okay, it's reload again. Okay, it will show again like this. I can just click here. Nice. Now if I want, now here this okay, okay, okay. If you now example the now wait, what I opened. Now example, if you want here photo, first you have to find a photo. Now if I write here let's example see my channels only. Okay, let's idea. Let's search for Roblox. No, let's search for a nice YouTube. You can just whatever photo you want, just search it, or if you have in your computer, just take it. Now example, I'll take the old YouTube logo and save as, just save it as YT, and now you have to save it in the directory. I will now I saved it. I made a folder in coding files, then in HTML, wait, and decent website. In this one I created this, so I can just okay. Why am I showing a Blender files? Okay, just blah, blah, okay. You can just write here any name. I can keep it as YT and save it, downloads it. Then now if you want to add photo, just like click here, enter, and let's add the image tag, img image src to if you want to tell it which image. So now what's our image name? Of course YT. So you can write here YT dot, and you have to write a file format. Most of the time it will show here. If not, then okay. Then if you want, then let's go run. Yes, okay. I think I closed my Chrome, and you can see now if you want this in the center or right, I'll tell you that also. Okay. Okay, now right here, if you want to change the size of it, of course now it's looking too big, you want it very big, so you can do that. So now let's click here, right here width. Width, now let's keep it like 2000. Also you can keep how much over you want, 2000 pixels. Then write here pixels so it can understand. Okay, no, not in inches. So length equals to, now we can write here length also like 1000 px. Now if you just refresh it, it will show very big. It's too big that my it can't show it. So let's decrease the size a bit, like keep it um let's keep it I think so, let's keep it 500 pixels by 200 pixels. I think that's fine. Okay, that's too small. Okay, let's leave it. Let's keep, now you can keep your wish. So like, now if you now if you want to keep it in the center, now example you want it in center, right, left, wherever, just write here a line equals, then let's write here two quotations and write here, now example I'm doing center. Now if I just closing tag, if you don't want, you can don't keep it also, just like keep some mistake I have done in my life.
1 hour later.
Came back also. It seems that it's not the problem. This is, you can actually, if it's not working, just in case you can write here a font, or not font, I meant center. Nothing happens if you write the center tag, it will keep this in the center. But mostly it shall work. I don't know why it's not working. Just let's cut it and paste it here with a, okay, and additional this has arrow has came arrow type. Now if we keep run it, you can see it in the center. Now what if I write here right? See, it is working now. You have to actually add a center tag, it starts working. Now it's showing right and left. This actually works only for the right and left. If you want to add the center, you have to add the center. Wait a second. Wait. Yeah, you have to actually add a center tag if you want to give it in center. Now left, it's as usual came to its place. Now what if you want to keep it here and add some text? Now for this I cannot write a whole story, so I'm just gonna take from my old one. Like I'll take from this about Windows 7. Okay, so like I want, okay, then I will write here. I'll, okay, I can write here H1. Then this is actually size type. If you want like smaller, it can go smaller till H6. And if I write here H6, and we now have to write here any number like this and just open it, you can barely see there's some numbers. You can see it of course because there's a color tag. And now see, and this color, this also got the color tag because I have mentioned here the color. So it's, so for now we can keep it as H1. Now what if you want to, we can keep it H1 also. Let's first, okay, H1, and we're gonna write here. Now if you want to like show you what is, let's write the old here, what is Windows 7 for now. And if you want to write a like big paragraph, so you use the paragraph tag, paragraph which P, then I'll just paste my code in this, which will work. And if I refresh, yoink, now it is showing here. And if you do same, it will like that.
Okay. Sorry guys for last time I did not was the video got cut off and last night I forgot my recording got stopped and okay. So let's begin. As I have wrote here Windows 7 and let's check out the website again how it is, has become in Chrome. Welcome to the website and all text is in this color. Now I don't want this text in this color. I want it a nice text like this color. Can do. Wait a second. What's this? Let's close also. Then of course we have to do a special thing. Not a special thing I would say. Not a real special. Just write your font tag. Write your size. Now, if you want to set a size for it, or if you're satisfied with the size, you can you can skip size and write your rest all. But I feel the size is small. Write here size equal to. Now I write here 4. So I think so it is fine. Case will keep a Calibri. Calibri. I no, that's Silvaca. I what is it? Let's keep it Arial only. Best. Arial is best. Color. Now let's set the color. I want a blue color. I am getting bored of blue, so I like the blue color. Or you can keep your own one with the color tag which I have told here. And you can want I want this text in the center. It means it won't come in the center. So let's leave it. Now I just write here. Font tag will come here. I don't want it here. I can't write again. I'll just write it after the P tag. Now if I run it, voila, it is in blue color. So what if I keep a center tag? Nothing would change much, but let's keep like can become like a doubt be solved thing. Now let's keep. Actually, I also never print. I'm also gonna see what happens. So if we keep the center tag, refresh, it, it moves a bit in the center. Yeah. Now if you want this photo to be here, because now I'll show you example. Open. mm, Let's open Win, not wish.com. Win history windows here is a site name. Yeah. So now I got in here. You can see that the photo is here. And because when you're talking, you might keep a photo. When you're reading, you might need a photo. Example, this is about YouTube, and you want YouTube logo here. You have to just take this image tag. Just take this image tag. I don't want. It's gonna be in the top. Here the before the font tag should be means not on the it should be before the key tag comes is in the paragraph tag. Now we refresh. Now see it is showing here. Now you want it here. So yeah, you can keep it here also, or I'll show you for there also. If you want to keep, just right here, right. Refresh to come in the right. And what if you want to just and you want to keep a line because you're writing multiple and you want to keep a line. So after it, so you can keep like HR dash, then again keep like this. And if we write here H1, again I'm writing anything. So like if we keep this again, yeah, welcome, welcome to HTML. Now if I write this, refresh, you can see there's a line that is separating this and this. Now you want this YouTube logo to be down as till this line. You can do that by increasing the length. I would keep it 700 length and refresh. Okay, okay, it increases the. I think we had to keep the. I had to increase this. I'll keep it as 600 by 500. You can see it is pretty big, too big also. Just you can better from increasing that. If you like now we are at 600, you have to decrease this to like 300. I might. If you keep, yeah, it's too big also because actually you have to also find the correct logo that will suit here. Mm, yeah, then that is for today. Like in the next video, I might show you how to make your photos hyperlink as this is here. You might think this is a normal text, right? It's not a text actually. And see, it's an actual an image. It's showing this is an actual image. I wanted an image here because if you want to do like this, it's very simple. Now, this not it's a HTML tag actually. I have to create it as, so it will show as a normal error also here, 404 error found. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you like this video. Share it and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.